Give your Jeep Gladiator JT the towing support it needs by adding the Airlift 1000 air springs. Built specifically for the Gladiator and the trails, these air springs are rugged and durable. Each pair of springs are made to last with molded polyurethane and matched with high-grade hardware. They offer 1,000 pounds of load leveling power at 35 psi. Or, when not fully inflated, the Airlift 1000 air springs help eliminate sag and prevent bottoming out. Definitely an added benefit when exploring off-road. Add these air springs to your Jeep Gladiator and it's an easy and rewarding upgrade. If you're interested in purchasing the Airlift 1000 air springs or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.